Okay, we're in Washington County, Colorado, and we've got rising scud, could be a developing wall cloud. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. I'm pointing right over there where the rising scud is. Oh, yeah. This is an awesome wall cloud. It just produced a tornado, but I didn't get it on film because I had to do the driving to get us the hell out of there. So this is my first shot at it, and it is awesome. It's one of the meanest looking clouds I've ever seen. It is an awesome cloud.
There is one other interesting thing I should point out. So Steve's likely had his video camera on the entire time, right?
Yeah, so he'll have all of it.
Bingo! Steve's video camera is audio, and, well, as we all know, he's got his radio turned up good and loud, so
Yeah.
I have no doubt that he's likely recorded every word.
Rapidly rising scud underneath.
Over here, 1 o'clock. I don't have enough light to shoot.
I don't know. Is that a tornado? Not yet. Copy that.
Yeah, there was a lot of scud.
We still got to get just west of that to be safe.
Excuse me.
No, thanks.
Look at the wall cloud blob underneath, way underneath, almost touches the ground.
It's
And
close.
as soon as we're clear, I will pull over.
Tell him thank you. Someone please.
Copy.
I said thank
Copy.
Oh, beat someone to the punch.
Took a little side road so the vehicles can shield the ladies.